Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us discuss about important ABMS questions coming to unit 1. The important long questions are the first very important long question for exam point of view is file system versus database management system. Here the examiner may also ask advantages of DBMS or disadvantages of file management system. So this is one of the most important long answer. And coming to the second answer, database design. Database design is one of the other long important answer. Sometimes it may be also given for the 4 marks in the examination. And coming to the next, ER model is another important answer. ER model is always important. ER means entity relationship model. And next important answer in unit 1 is how to alter the table or how to update the table or how to insert the values into table. These are forms of queries. Any question out of these three may appear in your examination paper. So these four are very, very important answers coming to the unit 1. And now let's discuss about the short question important answers. The first one is definition of entity, important. And the second one is data abstraction, like the methods to abstract the data is important. And the third question is he may ask to write queries for 2 marks, like write a query to create a table or definition of view. He may also ask definition of view. These are the important questions coming to unit 1. And coming to unit 2, the important questions are coming to long. The first question is very, very, very important question, normal forms. There are many kind of normal forms, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF. All clearly we have to write in this normal forms answer depending upon the marks allocated to that particular answer. And this is one of the most very important answer which regularly appears in your examination papers of DBMS. So don't neglect this answer. And second answer which is very important is schema refinement. Schema refinement is another important answer which is little bit similar to normal forms. And coming to short answers, he may ask you the definition of schema for 2 marks, and he may ask you what is the decomposition definition. And coming to important long answers, decomposition and mainly functional dependency. Functional dependency is another important answer in long answer. He may give for long answer. This is the first priority and these two are the second priority answers. This is compulsory and must. This is also very important. And uh, coming to short, he may ask aggregate functions. Aggregate functions are also very important for 2 marks, maybe for sometimes like he may even ask for 4 marks. And the another important short answer means it may also given for 4 marks. This is very important, that is integrity constraints. Integrity constraints, very, very important answer. And he may ask authorization, authorization definition and ways of authorization. These are all important. And other two most important answers which will be regularly asked for short in unit 2 is cursors and triggers. These are very important answers. Very, very important answers. These are even important for the Viva point of view. Very important answers. And now coming to Unit 3, important long answers are, the first one is ISAM, indexed sequential access method. This is one of the most very very most important answer. And the second answer is B plus trees. In If they ask B plus trees, you should write an definition, like a definition you have to write. And you have to write how to create B plus tree, how to insert, how to update, and how to delete the nodes in the B plus tree. So if he just asks you, don't write the definition and leave, as it is for long answer. If you write all these points, like how will you create the nodes, how will you insert the nodes, how will you modify, and how will you update or delete, if you write all this, there will be a great score for the answer. And coming to the next important answer is hashing. Hashing includes many forms, like he may ask you what is linear hashing, he may ask you what is extensible hashing, or he may ask you what is uh, static hashing, or dynamic, anything he may ask you. Or he also may ask you what are the differences between linear and extensible, and what are the advantages of linear, advantages and disadvantages of extension hashing. Anything he may ask in the exam, so be well prepared in all the concepts of the hashing. And coming to short answers in Unit 3, the first answer is indexing or index, important 2 mark answer. And the second is hashing or hash table. He may ask hashing or hash table, and he may also ask what uh, what is linear hashing definition, what is extensible hashing definition, and all. These are very important concepts for Unit 3. That's it. And coming to Unit 4, coming to Unit 4, first important long answer is acid properties. Without this, no paper will be there. Like every alternative years, acid properties is must in the paper. And the second important answer is log based concurrency control. Log based concurrency control. This is very important answer. And 2PL and serializability. This is also very important long answers. And coming to short, important short answers, he may ask what is transaction, define schedule or scheduling, and define few locking systems, etc. And coming to Unit 5, coming to long, he may ask you what is wall, what is checkpointing, define security and authorization. And two very very important answers are mandatory access control or and DAC. DAC stands for discretionary access control. These two are very important, very important. And coming to short answers, he may ask you what is checkpointing, define checkpointing, and he may ask you define wall. And the other important answers are, he may ask you to define the access control. These That's it. These are the very important answers in all the 5 units, and except these, some other important answers are: what is TCL operations, and what is null attribute, what is a role, define database administrator, and what is outer join, what is sparse index, and what are fuzzy checkpoint, etc. These are the important answers. All the best for your exam. Prepare well.